Let me know if I kill you, man. I'm about to do some line of sight.
Airplane.
You couldn't see? Huh? Oh. Oh, I forgot the ground is all nasty and mushy out here. I'm about to sit down and do some FPV too. Ground all crazy.
That's how I taught myself how to fly with this thing. I'll just go to a park and go like through the playground, go around trees and stuff. I can do manual flips.
I haven't flied in 1 year.
Oh, that's why he got excited. He saw your plane.
I haven't flied for 1 year.
I told you about planes. It's cracking up.
Gotta see my FPV camera.
Picture of this guy. Careful, careful. Be careful. Show mommy. Say cheese. What's that?
Airplane.
What does airplane say?
I even forgot which one is the name of
It's not too windy for that?
Yeah, I think
It's strong.
it's strong, but the wind takes it everywhere.
Yeah. Probably go
But
fast
Jay's a
as shit,
professional
like,
droner. So Jay got it. So don't be scared, Jay. Come on.
I know I got it.
See the airplane, Jimmy? Airplane. You see?
Look, it's just I haven't flied this journey in months. I mean, like in years. 1 year. It's working.
Ooh. See that?
Then the only thing, the sun is gonna kill my eyes. So I can't face the sun.
Jimmy, look at the plane. Look. Look. The plane.
Where is it? Oh, I see
It's
it.
right. Yeah.
You can't see it because the sun.
I'm on you.
Thing looks crazy.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Nice.
Jason. She's breaking up though. I can't see him anymore.
Coming down the straightaway.
Oh yeah, I'm low.
Now I found it.
Oh yeah, you heard it.
Watch how you gonna hit me.
This
My
kid
bad.
that I need for the iPhone. The dongles.
Where am I?
Cheap. Like a $2 piece.
No, for mine. Even if I had a
He's
gas
playing.
like that,
He's playing.
Oh, so you got the iPhone. Yeah,
I was learning how to fly low the other day, like real low.
Yeah, I want one. That looks fun as shit.
They only like $100.
I'll never get one.
Well, as soon as you get it, you gotta tape it out like I did like with this one. I tape it
Oh, I
out,
forgot
and
to
I
stop
put the
this
wing
recording.
tape. You see
Go
the
slower,
tape on
go
the wing?
slower.
Yeah, you made that?
Yeah, I made it myself. But the wing
To
tape-
handle the wind.
That looked real good when you were tailing it the whole time.
Yeah.
On every turn, look hot like that.
Sheesh, the grass is crazy.
Never believe that these companies send you free stuff and you did all your videos off your phone on your app.
Listen, you can make a whole video on that.
So like 2 years ago, I was like, yo, I know where he lives at.
Yeah, I see the Home Depot.
I see the Home Depot tower. So I was like, Machine, I'm gonna go stalk him. I'm gonna just sit out there in the parking lot and see if I see him.
I used to do that. So like, I'm gonna check it in there so I can buy one of my
How did I
See the
meet
video
you?
is better.
Huh?
How did I meet you?
I can't remember. Oh, I think we met here.
Y'all met here, I know.
Yeah, we met here. I came here with Rich and Jay.
We all met here, James. Remember I met you first?
Yeah.
And then I met Red.
The first day I came here, Bot was here.
Angel didn't even know about us, and I saw one of his videos on YouTube, and I texted him, like, yo, we've been meeting up.
Punch out. He almost hit me.
Bye-bye. Be good, okay? Alright, you be safe, man. What'd you say, Jay? Alright.
Safe man.
Alright. Good seeing you.
All right, same man.
Alright.
What you flying? Oh, you flying that?
Little Nano.
Know what you gotta get,
Oh,
man?
battery's dead.
You gotta get this John called the hover. Is it called the hoverboard? It's by Air Hogs.
Yeah.
Extreme hoverboard.
Yeah. Oh,
The John with the man on it. The John with the man on it. It look like a surfboard.
Oh.
Whatever. Yo, that John is fun to fly. Line of sight.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hot,
Cool.
man. You
I
gotta get
know
it
they
from
have
Walmart.
some that it's like a hoverboard, and then you take it apart. You take the back part off, and it's a drone.
Okay.
It's like a modular hovercraft.
Oh
It's
yeah.
pretty cool. Yeah, it's like a like a regular, like kind of like looks like the one you sent the picture of, but it's plastic, and then you could fly it and it glides around, and you take the back off, and it's got the 4 props, and it turns into a drone.
Oh yeah.
The one, like in the one video, like commercial, they crashed it, and then the dude just started flying it.
Well, all right.
So you're talking about this bag? Look, I
Yeah.
got all my tools. I got extra prop, extra wire, extra everything in here. And look, I'm about to
I've been trying to find that joint. I couldn't find it in the store.
I'm about to do all that in the bag.
I couldn't find that in the store. I was looking for it.
I wore my I guess I was lucky when I went look. And look, I even got more stuff.
And that was only like $20, right? Yeah, that's crazy. And then when I tried to get it, it was, you know, it was like school was just starting, so they upped the price on everything, and they didn't have that one there no more. So, what happened? Hey, I'm about to be out too.
This one's still on. I thought I have 2 of them.
Oh, you got 2
So
of them.
I'm like, why the hell isn't this working? That's because that was.
I got 2 of those too.
Yeah, what is sick?
Look, God.
These are the best, man. So for indoor flying,
Indoor and out, I'll be flying those.
it's a beast, man.
You should have been around when Cherson had a CX-10 that was that size. That was crazy.
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah, it was real nice. I still got one, but I think the battery, something wrong with the battery. If you don't charge, you don't give a full charge.
Yeah, this thing's a
Whenever I
beast.
charge
It's
it.
just so hard to see. I never broke a prop on it yet.
Can you
I
bring it
still
in
got a
close?
couple green ones. I need them. What was that?
I said, can you bring it in close and hover it?
Yeah.
Woo.
The wind.
I was about to see you going down.
I thought it was the battery, it's just the wind. Like, I'm not used to flying this thing outdoors.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a whoop. Like, as soon as you turn sharp, you gotta give it some gas, give it some throttle.
Then I got one battery there.
It's
When I
fun,
first
right?
started flying, yeah, this thing's fun as shit. When I first started flying that yellow one, line of sight, I used to always hit a tree.
the
If
bee
I tried to
bolt.
go around it, or like a pole or anything.
Yeah,
I
your
would just
depth
always hit it.
perception was a little
Yeah,
off.
it was
Yeah.
off. So I was like, all right, let me go another second longer.